Good day. Mandithathe eli thuba bazali ndibulise egameni lenkosi Yesu Kristu. Mandithathe eli thuba futhi lokuthi ndithi ndi-take through kwi-process ye-registration for this year, Christian Crusaders. There are 3 platforms that you can use to buy first a ticket. You need to first buy a ticket before you can go and register. So the ticket, there are ways that you can buy the ticket. You can go and buy the ticket at Pick n Pay. You can buy the ticket at Boxer. And the third place where you can buy the ticket is online in their website. So just to make things easy, Makenboni said the website one. If you go to a Boxer and Pick n Pay, you just say you are buying tickets for AGC Christian Crusaders and National Convention. Then they will give you the ticket. So if you go to our website, the church website, www.agc.org.za, you then go through the website and then you come to events, and then events. So there are events that are there. There is a conference. The conference is this one, and then there is a gala dinner. Currently, if you want to buy for gala dinner, you can come and buy the ticket here. Or if you want to buy for the conference, you can then just scroll down, even on your phone, you will be able to do. So you come here, before you register, you first buy a ticket. Then you go to the ticket. In your case, it will be, if for instance you already have an account, and you can just log in in that Google account that you are using. So I managed to log in. I already have an account. For you, maybe it might want you to fill in some few things if you do not have an account. Then you come here to buy the ticket. Let's say if you want to buy bulk tickets, let's say you want to buy a ticket a second for the whole second. So you can just increase the number here to say, I want to have 4 or 5 adults ticket, and then maybe 2 between the age of 9 to 12. And then you can then add that to a basket. So once you say add to basket, already is already telling you how much it will cost you to buy those tickets. And then you can then add it to the basket. And then you have added it. So it's these 2 kind of tickets that you will have on the basket. It's already giving a countdown there. And then you can then check out. All right. So checking out, you can pay in different ways. You can pay with a card. You can then just put in your card number, the expiry date of the card number, and then at the back of your card, your CVV. And then after you have bought them, it will give you tickets of like different tickets. Then you will then use the barcode of that ticket. Okay. So here, let's just say, because I don't want to buy so many tickets for now. So, all right, then we can, let's just go out here. Okay. Then after you have bought the ticket for each person that you're buying for, then you can come to say register. Now you're gonna use the tickets that you have um, to be able to register. So it will want first a barcode. You can put in a barcode of that ticket here, and then you can take a photo of the ticket and upload it here. However, you can see there's a red star there. It means it's compulsory that you must have a barcode. If you do not have a barcode, we will pick it up on our side. Even if you can put any number, we will pick it up on our side, and then we will we will delete you as not registered. So you need to have a barcode, and then we can continue with the normal registration process that we normally have all these years. Thank you very much. I hope this will help you, and share it nabanye abazalwane emaseketheni ukuthi barejiste ngale ndlela. Otherwise, you don't have to do it the online way. Otherwise, you can use the barcode that will be on the ticket that you bought at Pick n Pay or at Boxer. You can use that barcode here, and then you just take a photo of that ticket and you upload it. Thank you very much, bazalwane. Inkosi inisikelele nisalungiselele ukuze emhlanganweni ngegama lenkosi yethu uJesu Kristu. Ngiyabonga. Othethayo ngubaba uMvila, SG Christian Crusaders. Siyabonga inkosi. Amen.